Assalamu alaikum students. This is your final term lesson 4 Adverbs. Class 8 Subject English. Book The Grammar Tree. Teacher Shmail Aram. In this video we will come to know about adverb and its kind. Let's start. Definition of adverb. An adverb is a word that adds something more to the meaning of a verb. Verb is actually an action. So adverbs add something more to the meaning of an action. An adverb can modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It means adverb not only helps verb to modify or add something more to the meaning of a verb, it also helps an adjective or another adverb. For example, he sings loudly. Here, sings is a verb, loudly is an adverb. Loudly is here explaining the action, sings. Loudly is telling us that how the person sings. Number 2. We are extremely happy. In this sentence, extremely is an adverb and happy is an adjective. If the sentence is like this, we are happy, it means that they are happy, and happy is working over here as an adjective. But if we will put extremely with it, it means it is telling us that how much they are happy. Number 3. She works extremely slowly. In this sentence, extremely is an adverb, but slowly is also an adverb. Slowly is over here telling us that the girls work slowly. But if we will put another adverb with it, that is extremely, that adverb is intensifying the action. It is telling us that is not that the girl is not work slowly. She is extremely slowly in her work. So in this way, adverbs not only modifies a verb, it also modifies an adjective or another adverb. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time point out the time of an action and answer the question when. For example, ago, since, before, today, yesterday, then, now, already, soon, early, late, etc. Actually, they tells us about the action when the action took place or when the action will take place. For example, she bought the pen yesterday. Here yesterday is an adverb which is telling us that when the pen was bought. I have already finished my work. In this sentence, already is an adverb which is telling us that when the work has been finished. Number 2 is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place indicate where the action takes place and answer the question where. If adverbs of time tells us when the action takes place, over there adverbs of place tells us that where the action takes place. For example, here, there, away, near, in, out, up, down, beside, below, anywhere, everywhere. Examples. Fatima has gone out. In this sentence, out is an adverb of place which is telling us that where is Fatima. All the things fell down. Over here, down is an adverb which is telling us that where did the things fall. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how the action took place or the manner in which it took place. Like adverbs of time tell us when the action took place. Adverb of place tell us where the action took place. Likewise, adverbs of manner tell us how the action took place. like bravely, fast, badly, quickly, gladly, honestly, etc. Examples. He will come to house directly. In this sentence, directly is an adverb which is telling us that how the person come to house. They fought bravely in the battle. In this sentence, bravely is an adverb which is telling us that how did they fight in the battle. Number 4 is interrogative adverbs. They are very simple because interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions about time, place and manner, when, where, why and how. Examples. When does your school start? Over here, when is working as an interrogative adverb because it is asking a question about time. That's why it will be called an interrogative adverb. Number 2, how did you find my house? In this sentence, how is an interrogative adverb because it is asking a question in that how the action took place. How did the person find house? Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree are also called intensifiers. They answer the question how much. As I told you that adverbs of time answer the question when, adverbs of place answer the question where, and adverbs of manner answer the question how. Likewise, adverbs of degree answer the question how much. Like very, to, so, almost, enough, hardly, really, only, and quite, etc. Examples. She is too good to hurt anyone. In this sentence, too is an adverb of degree because it is telling us that how much she can hurt others. I know him quite well. In this sentence, quite is an adverb which is telling us that how much the person knows him. Number 6 is relative adverbs. Relative adverbs like relative pronouns refer back to their antecedent, like when, where and why. Students, you will be a little bit confused that when, where and why are also used as interrogative adverbs. Then why I am saying that they are also work as a relative adverbs. The difference is very simple and you have to put this difference in your minds that when WH words like when, where and why are used in the beginning of a sentence or to ask a question as interrogative sentence, then they are called interrogative adverbs. But when these WH words are used in the middle of a sentence to connect two sentences with each other, then they are called relative adverbs. For example, this is the place where I born. In this sentence, where is an relative adverb which is connecting two sentences with each other. Here, where is not asking any question. That's why it's a relative adverb. He reached there when the bus had gone. Likewise, when is also a relative adverb over here because here when is not asking any question. It is actually connecting two sentences with each other. That's why it's called a relative adverbs. So students, these are the kinds of adverbs. I hope that you would have understood that what is an adverb and what are its kind, and you will do a practice of usage of adverbs and its kinds in your copies. This is your written task, students. Your written task is exercise A at page 74, exercise C at page 76, and exercise D at page 76. This is your post evaluation. Exercise B at page 75. Actually, your post evaluation is a table and you have to complete that table and then you have to send your copies for checking and marking. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.